Hello guys, welcome back to Programming Knowledge Hub. My name is Vishal. In this lecture, we will understand the concept of loop and we will learn about one of the basic loop in C#, that is the while loop. A loop executes a block of code n number of times. A loop is provided a condition which determines how many times that loop will run. The loops are an essential feature of a programming. You can control the flow of a program using different types of loops. Now let's take a look at the syntax of the while loop. The variable is initialized before the loop. Then a condition is provided to the while loop. That condition will determine how many times a loop will run. Then inside the curly braces, we write the code that is to be executed multiple times, and at the end of the loop, we increment the value of a variable. Here is the example. The variable I is initialized before the while loop. Then inside the while loop, we provide a condition that is I less than 5. That means this loop is to be executed until the value of I is less than 5. And inside we write the console.writeLine statement to print the value of that I on the console, and we increment the value of I by 1. Now let's switch to Visual Studio to understand the while loop practically. Here I have created a simple console application. I want to write a program to print the value or the numbers from 1 to 10 on the console. So how do I do that? Let's declare a variable called I and assign value 1 to it. Then let's use the while loop. And print the value of I on the console and increment the value of I at the end. And let's save the program and run the program using Ctrl plus F5. Great, it printed the numbers from 1 to 10 on the console. So it's very simple. We initialize the variable before the loop, we provide the condition to the while loop, and we write the code that is to be executed, and we increment the value of a variable. Now you might wonder that if it is mandatory to increase the value of this variable by 1 only. No, it's not. You can increase the value of this variable by any number that you want. So let's say I increase the value of this variable by 2, and let's run the program again to check how different is the output. So here is the output. You get the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 on the console. So you can increase the value of this variable by any number you want. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new video.